Hey everyone, Matthew Patterson with the Patterson Group coming at you again today. Today we're going to talk about that final walkthrough. Is it important? Is it required? Well, required? No. Required that they give you the opportunity? Yes. And is it important? I say 100% yes. I personally would not buy any property without doing a final walkthrough, and here's why. A lot of times you go through this property and maybe you've got a 30 to 45 day close. Things change, things happen. Make sure that you do the walkthrough, or you have a representative for you do the walkthrough, but preferably yourself, to know that you're getting everything you were supposed to get. What is it? It's your opportunity for, the last chance to check this property out. The easiest way to have the corrections made, or escrow money to have corrections made without getting into it, further down the road and into the lawsuit. Once you own it, it's going to get a lot more difficult. Things you want to look out for, I would check, definitely any repairs that you made that were supposed to be made to the property. On that, a little caveat here, not just a final walkthrough, I'd probably re-inspect the property. If you had a lot of inspections made or corrected, a lot of repairs made, I would re-inspect it. But also do your final walkthrough, make sure everything's the way it's supposed to be and nothing's changed, and you're getting everything that you're supposed to get, especially if you're buying it furnished. All belongings are moved out. Again, if it's not furnished, the home's supposed to be left to you in a broom swept condition per the contract. So you want to make, they shouldn't be leaving you trash, leaving you clutter. That should all be done per your contract. And that all the appliances are still working. We've had ACs go out the day before closing, washers and dryers. So we want to make sure you're protected and you're getting everything you're supposed to get. For more questions on this, obviously we go through all of this in our consultations. And give us a call, click the link on this video, go to MatthewPatterson.com. Until next time, thank you.